now for number 3. And it's well placed, and it's older. It appears to be a flawless dollar coin. However, right there in front of the L in the Liberty, looks like there's a little something going on. Shouldn't be there.